Introducing YKG Contest Speed debates for both teens and adults. Participate free of charge and start debating via Zoom on numerous topics that cut across all aspects, issues, and states in Nigeria. For both teen and adult categories, the winner gets 10,000 naira and the 2,000 naira participatory compensation paid to the loser of the teen category only. The stated sums are paid 4 days after the session has been posted and votes counted. Of course, we have a ranking system, and participants who attain the highest rank get an additional payout of 500,000 naira on top of their session's earnings. For more details and to register, join our onboarding WhatsApp group. Present yourself therein with a close-up image of yourself captioned with your full name, age, and of course, something interesting about yourself. Follow the shared link in the group to officially register. Send a screenshot of the success message in the end screen or the confirmation received via email. State your weekly availabilities and voila. In addition, teens ages 13 to 17 are required to open a teens account at our partners bank, wherein their winnings and compensations will be paid. We invite you also to check out our previous sessions on our handles at YKG Contests. And of course, this program is proudly sponsored by distressales.net.